Samrat Dhara, and my roll number is RX2003B61, and my registration number is 120200303, and my university is Lovely Professional University. I have given an assignment to do 4 aerobic exercises. I have to do first part by part, and then by part demonstration, and then continuously demonstration. For in this way I will explain my student how to do these 4 types of aerobic exercises. Thank you. Then first exercise. We have first exercise for first demonstration of first exercise. 1. I have to put my hand here, and I have to put my left leg upward. In 2, I have to do this. My hand will be in this way. Right hand as a 75 degree or 75 degree angle, and my right leg will be up. And in 3, I will do as same in right hand for 75 degree angle, and my left leg will be up. And 4, again this 75 degree angle in my hand of left, and again my right leg will be up. In 5, my hand will be at 75 degree angle, and my left leg will be up. And in 8, my left hand will be up 75 degree angle, and my right leg will be up. Then I have to demonstrate this aerobic exercise in continuous way. Continuous way begins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then next second exercises. Again I will demonstrate my first exercise. 1. My hand will have 75 degree angle, my right hand, and my left leg will be up. In count 2, my right leg will be up, and my hand will have 75 degree angle like this. In count 3, I have to do my hand with 75 degree angle like this, and my left leg will be up straight, as I am making this as 90 degree. And 4, my hand will have 75 degree angle, and my right leg will be up, and the straight body will have to circumstance. And 5, I have to do this, hand will 75 degree angle, and my left leg will be straight as 90 degree, making a 90 degree angle. And count 6, my hand will make 75 degree angle, and my leg will make 90 degree angle, and my right leg will be up, and count 7, this 70 degree angle, and my left leg will be up and making the left leg a 90 degree. And in count 8, my hand will make again 70 degree angle, and my right leg will be up and making the right leg will making a count of 90 degree. In continuous command for me demonstration for you continuously begin. I will continuously do this exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Then I will demonstrate my second exercise. Let's begin. 1. In count 1 like this, my hand in above same to the shoulder level, and my leg will be like at standing position. In count 2, I have to jump and come in attention position, and in count 3, again I have to jump and be in the standing position, and my hands will be at the shoulder level. At count 4, again I have to come in the attention position, and count 5, again I have to do the hand will be above the shoulder level, and I have to jump and be in, and I have to come in standing position during jump. And count 7, I have to jump and come in attention position. At count 8, again I have to jump and come in standing position, and my hand will be in the shoulder level. In this way this is by part I have demonstrated to the children, and this way 8 and 7, and this 8 again I have to come in jumping through at this position. Now I will demonstrate continuously 1 to 16 count continuously. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Then I have to do third exercises. Let's begin. अब मैं करने वाला हूँ थर्ड एक्सरसाइज, जिसमें आई विल डू थर्ड एरोबिक एक्सरसाइजेस. 1. In count 1, I have to put my hand forward, and I have to sit up I have to bend my legs, and I have to come in the sit up position like this. One count. At count 1, at count 2, again this. ठीक है? At count 3, again my hand will be forward in the same position, and my legs I have to bend my legs at the sitting position. At count 4, I will again stand in standing position. At count 5, again sit up position. At count 6, again stand up position. and count 7. Again sit up position my leg this way and my hand will be forward. At count 7, again same, stand up in standing position, and at count 8, again I have to sit up position. In this way I have to do these third exercises. So let's begin. In the continuous way I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see that some student has not learned this exercise, how to do these exercises. Exercise number 3 in aerobics. So I will demonstrate by part again for this third number exercise of aerobics. At count 1 I have to hand forward in this way, 2 hands, and again I have to bend my legs and come into sit up position, and count 1. Both will be done same time when I say count 1, like this. 1, my bend my legs and hand will be straight forward. At count 2, my hand will be forwarded only. I have to come in again standard this position. At count 3, I have to come again at sit up position, and this hand will be in forward level. I have to bend only my legs. At count 4, I have to come again in standard this position. At count 5, again in sit up position, my hands will be forward as count 1 only. Again in standard this position, my hand will be forward only. 5, 8. Now I will do this exercise in continuous way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. I will in the last exercise I have to do 1, 2, like this. Here I am starting my fourth exercise because my phone camera is too short. So I am starting from the too much corner of the camera. 1, 2. At count 1, what I am doing, I have to in the right side, I have to forward in the right side this way, and my hand will come here like this, moving my hand rotation like this. At count 1, my hand will come again straight to my forward hand, and my legs will come this one to this position, and I have to move to forward like this. I have to put my hand like here, hand will be this side. At count 1, my hand will be forward the head and my leg come again attention position. At count 2, again attention position and hand will be straight to the forward of my head. Again at count 3, and will again in the forward position, and I have to move to the left side. At count 4, again my hand will come to forward position, and I have to move this like this way. Again at count 5, my hand will be come in the towards the head, and my legs will come in again at this position. I have to move to right side. At count 6, right side, again movement to the right side. My hand will come again in the forward position towards the head, same towards the head. At count 7, my hand will come again towards the head position, so that no one can see my face, and I have to move forward to the left side. At count 8, again my hand will come to the head same, and I have to move to the left side. So I will demonstrate continuously. I have demonstrated by part. Now I will demonstrate continuously this exercise number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Okay, now I will demonstrate all the 4 exercises continuously. So let's begin. I will do continuously from 1 exercise to 4 exercises continuously. 1 to 4 exercises continuously begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now I have to do the second exercise. Now second exercise. Okay, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now do the third exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. My 4 exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now I have done all my 4 exercises. Thank you, sir, for giving me this assignment. And everybody, you have understand the aerobic exercises, so let practice at home. Thank you, everybody.